Okay, everybody, we are out at the hog farm today, and I got Chris helping me. That would be the elusive Tom Clark's son. I mean, just look at that face. Doesn't it look just like Tom? Or something like a Tom? Yeah. So today we cleaned out buses. What do you think about that, Chris? Awesome, awesome. Hey, Chris, can you do me a favor? Could you read the cue cards?
I forgot them.
So, that's what we got done in there. And we cleaned up some water tanks. We took them. We got them all cleaned out. Okay. Don't even look like there's water in there. All right. Isn't that right, Chris? That is happiness right there. Look, today Chris is excited. Chris been with me all week, working, sorta. Okay. Don't forget that, Chris. And since I got you on camera, don't forget that board. And hey, Chris, gonna need that pallet moved too.
Not getting that pallet.
Chris.
You never asked.
Chris, I'm asking you now on camera. You know, the video that's gonna be on YouTube for the world to see. So thanks for getting that pallet, Chris. What a guy. What a guy. I know, right? Video blackmail. YouTube is wonderful. Okay. We cleaned us another tank over here. Piggies have already been in it, but still way clean. Okay, looking good. And then Chris went up and he put bedding in that yellow bus in the back this morning. Let's go get a look at the piggies. First, let's go this way. Alright. We have been working on this. We're going to put a window in here. And hopefully we're going to get that finished up today. But let's go over here and see the piggies. Look at these guys. Yes. How we doing, Sadie? Huh? What's the matter, baby? How are we today? Look, everybody wants to see what's happening, huh? There's Rusty. We got the twins. Sadie Jr. And then that's JJ's pig right there. I still don't know it, JJ. Haven't met him yet, but that's JJ's pig. You know? What's happening, Rusty? Huh? What's going on, buddy? Get my shadow out of there. What's happening? What's going on? What's going on? Yes, I know. What's happening? Huh? Let's see. Where's Grundy at? Grundy and Gretchen. Enjoying a little sunshine. Alright. How we doing, Chris?
Mediocre.
That is one happy fella. I gotta tell you. Look, that's the most I've seen him smile in a week. Alright, folks, I'll talk to you later. Say goodbye, piggies. Goodbye, piggies.